Hi guys, how are you today? This is Joyce from Greenpack. Welcome to our channel.
Dry food custom packaging bags are specialized, branded pouches designed to protect moisture-sensitive, shelf-stable foods like snacks, dried fruits, jerky, and coffee. They use specialized barrier materials like metallized film or food-grade plastics to block oxygen, light, and moisture, extending shelf life. While prominently displaying your company's logo and design, these bags protect dry goods from humidity, which causes clumping or mold, and oxygen, which leads to staling or flavor loss. They serve as a primary marketing tool, utilizing vibrant, full-color custom printing, clear windows, and unique shapes to stand out on retail shelves. Allow customers to repeatedly open and close the bag without losing freshness. Provide easy tool-free first opening, and essential for packaging freshly roasted coffee, letting gases escape without letting oxygen in.
Please feel free to contact us and get more info. See you next time. Bye.